Hi everyone, I am Gochani from 3PT-S1G1 and my supervisor is Dr. Sek. So my FYP project is Smart Durian Farm System. So this system is a system that consists of two applications, which is the website and the Android mobile apps, which aims to help the durian farmers by monitoring the condition of the durian tree with multiple sensors to perform the data analysis with graphs, predict the water duration, scan and detect the durian disease, and also the landscape planning. So I believe that by using these AI techniques, it can improve the management of the durian farms and also the productivity quality of the durian fruits. So the problems that are often faced by the durian farmers is that they might be hard to predict how many durian trees can be planted on their farmland, because their farm is usually very huge. And then in the old time, they are used to walk down to the field to record and monitor the condition of the durian tree manually, which are very time consuming, and it needs many staff to do it. So the most important problem is the unpredictable weather in Malaysia, which will increase the chances of getting infection or disease of the durian trees. And thus, this unplanned watering schedule will cause the low quality of the durian fruits. And lastly, the most important is the insufficient manpower to manage the durian farm. In order to solve this problem, the objective of this system is to design a web-based interactive dashboard monitoring system that can perform the data analysis through a simple data collection module by using the Node MCU with the multiple sensors. And then we also like to develop a landscape planning to suggest the suitable amount of durian trees that can be planted on the farmland based on the land size and the distance between the durian tree provided by the durian farmers. And then to implement the AI techniques with the multiple sensor data to predict the water duration needed by the durian tree and also detect the durian disease. And lastly, to develop an Android mobile apps to perform all the modules stated as above, so that the durian farmers can monitor the condition of the durian tree at anywhere and anytime. So these are there are 6 modules are included in this Smart Durian Farm system. So the first one is the data collection using IoT with 4 sensor data, which is the temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and light intensity sensor. So this real-time sensor data will be stored onto the cloud database and then display it on this interactive dashboard. We use Grafana lah. So this interactive dashboard will perform the data analysis, and at the same time, this sensor data are imported into this fuzzy rule-based system to predict the water duration needed by the durian tree. And this predicted water duration we will store back to the database also, and then display it on this dashboard. So this dashboard can perform the data analysis, display the predicted water duration, and by monitoring this data, if the condition is beyond normal, it will send the alert emails to the users. And then the fourth module is the landscape planning. We use calculation algorithm, which is based on the land size and the distance between the durian tree provided by the durian farmers to calculate. And then the fifth one is the durian disease detection module to train the convolutional neural networks model to scan and identify the disease of the durian tree, and thus provide the disease treatment information to the durian farmers. So there are 3 diseases that can be detected in this system, which are the alga fungus disease, rhizoctonia disease, and also the root rot disease. Because the data that I can find from the internet sources are very limited, so this 3 is the most common disease that will happen on the durian tree. And lastly, the module is the Android mobile apps to display the real-time sensor data for the monitoring, and then embed with the durian disease detection module. And lastly, it will also provide the extra fertilizer information that might needed by the durian farmers. So that's all for my system. Thank you.